It's okay. I really want to take off that thing.
What thing? Oh, yeah. Good girl, Zoe. Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl.
Hi, Zoe. You pretty girl.
No, you don't like those treats?
Does she spit them out?
Yeah.
Aw. She says, I know you've got pepperoni in that house. I can smell it. Hi, Zoe.